Hi everyone. This is a quick tutorial on how to create email groups in Apple's email program, as well as their contacts, which is where the group part starts first. So I'm going to switch screens, and I apologize for giving you a partial screen here, but I know that's confusing. But I just need to protect the contacts that I have here. So if you look at this part here, this is part of Apple Contacts program. And it's really quite simple to create a group. The first thing you're going to do is, once you've decided to create a group, you're going to go to the email address that you're going to send it from. In this case, my groups live in the iCloud because this way I can access all of these contacts in my iPad and my iPhone, and as well as my computers. So what you're going to do is, when you hover over the group, whether that be the specific email address that you're going to send from, or in this case the iCloud, you can see a plus sign shows up. And so what you do is you click a plus sign, and it will come up with a new untitled group. So we're going to name this one Dunbar VIP Contacts. Let's actually call it group 1, because you can clearly create numerous groups. So if you want only some of the people in your Dunbar User Association to receive these emails, you can actually keep them separate. Once you've typed in what you want to hit the return key, and then it becomes your group. So now what we want to do, if you notice we're selected here and there's no contacts, is we're going to now fill it with the emails addresses that we want. You could go to all contacts, and then it will show every one of your contacts. In this situation, for making this video, I created another user group called Email Tutorial Group, so that basically no one's email addresses are shown. But this works the same if you click all contacts. So you can either search alphabetically down a long list, or you can literally just type in who you're looking for. So let's go VIP, and it shows me that within this contact list there's one person here with Test VIP. If that's the case and you want to add that to your Dunbar VIP group, you click on it, and then you click and hold, it turns into a little card, and then you drop it on the group that you want to create. So we've added one. Now there are other group members that I'd like to include, so we're going to click here, and if you want to select more than one member at a time, you can hit the control key and then select another one and select another one, and then take your finger off the control key, click and hold, and then it shows it's going to move three people at a time. So I'm going to then drag this onto Dunbar VIP group 1, and then we'll check in to see what's in that group. So we click on this, and it shows us that we've populated Dunbar VIP group with the ones that we want. After that, it's quite simple. Now, if there's somebody here that you want to take out, you can highlight it and literally hit the delete key. You'll then be given two choices. You can either delete the contact, which you might not want to do, or you can remove it from group, and it will literally just vanish. So now we're ready to send an email. So we can open this in contacts. There's a couple ways of creating a new email. If you're in contacts, sorry about that, and you right click or control click over the group, it can show you that you can export this so that you'll have the group all exported in one, or you can send a new email to Dunbar VIP group, and it will open up in your default email browser. That could be Outlook, that could be Spark, it could be Apple Mail. But because you're an Apple Mail user, we're going to go into the Apple Mail thing, and we're going to create a new email. A number of different ways of doing that. We can click here on this tab here, and it will create a brand new email. And we know we want to send this to our Dunbar VIP group. Hit enter, and we now have an email that's ready to go out to each one of our group members. You'll notice there's a little triangle here. If you click on that, you can edit the addresses, remove an address. This address will remove. You can expand the group or open in contacts. So now what we're going to do, you can choose the email address that you're going to send it from, click the subject, today's notes, today's votes. Oh my goodness. And then we click here, and you can then type the content of your email. When you're ready, you go up here and you click the triangle, the send email, and your email will be sent to them. So that's pretty much it. I hope that's helpful to you, and that answers your question. If you have any more, let me know, and I'll make another quick tutorial video. Thanks for dropping by.